Good morning, dear children. Today we are discussing the differences between fertilizers and manure. So you can see on the screen that fertilizers are man-made inorganic salts. It means they are prepared artificially, while manure are natural substances and they are prepared in field. Okay. Again, you can say the fertilizers are highly rich in nutrients, but these richment of nutrient is temporary. You can say that if we are using fertilizers, it is not profitable for us because after using regularly, it can perish or it can destroy your soil quality also. But in case of manure, these are good thing because they have good effect, but it will take time. Okay, so always go for manure, avoid fertilizers. If there is any need, then you can use fertilizers. Okay, now another basic point is that the manure provides humus to the soil while fertilizers doesn't do this. Okay, so these are advantage of manures. And even you can say it is environmental friendly also, because in further classes you will read about biomagnification. I will tell you about. Okay, but now you can say that these manures are good thing for us. Now another point we are discussing is irrigation. So irrigation simply means that the supply of water to crop at regular intervals. Okay, at regular intervals. You can see this definition as I highlighted in this. Okay, so sources of irrigations are tube well, ponds, lakes, rivers and dams, canals. These are the sources. Okay, now another thing, how irrigation can be done. So for irrigation, you can say irrigation is done can be done from traditional methods also, like you can see on the screen there is moat and a chain pump. Okay, there is rahat also. So these all are traditional methods. Simply you can see in the diagram that how from the well water is taken out and it is supplied to the crops. And so you can see there is a drainage system behind this well. There is a drainage system. After taking out the water from the well, this water is supplied to the field. Okay, and this is rahat. With the help of animal it can also done. Okay, it will circulate, and this thing will circulate. After then the water will be supplied. Okay, nowadays there are some modern methods also. These modern techniques, you can say, these are sprinkler system and drip irrigation. Sprinkler system, it means sprinkler system means there is a fountain. Okay, means there are some type of nozzles which act as fountains. With a regular intervals of time, water is spread out from these fountains as a showers. Okay, so you can say this technique is very much beneficial because just because if you are using this method, the water availability can be less, and you can say the wastage of water will be minimum. Similarly, there is a drip irrigation system. Drip irrigation system is also useful because there is a drop by drop water falls from the pipe, you can say, and there is also minimum wastage of water. So dear students, as still we are in this chapter, and now some topics are left, so we will discuss in further videos and classes. Okay, have a nice day.